Hey, what is up, all you beautiful funnel hackers? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the design assets that you can utilize for your funnel, for your ads, or whatever you need it for. So let's go over here. If you see, we're already on the app.funnelhackerlab.com. Go over on the left-hand side, click on the design assets plus trainings. And as you can see in the middle over here, you see design assets in between all of the organic training fundamentals, in between the advanced traffic training. This pretty much teaches you I call it the organic fundamentals, laying down the foundations to your business. Other one over here is running actual paid traffic is what it teaches, but we're not here for that. We're here for the design assets. So if you click on here, if you take a look over here, you're going to see 30 done for you videos, intro videos, spokesman videos, royalty free music, images, and a whole bunch of infographics. So if you go over here, let's go look at, for example, images. For example, you're going to see on the right hand side, you're going to see a lot of files down here. Okay. And once you download that, let me go over here, you're going to see you're going to have a lot of files. So for example, watches over here. There's a bunch of different watches, pictures over here. Mostly it's just stock photos. Typically what I use these for like background photos or ads as well too. But they're just a bunch of different little stock photos that you can utilize for your, I typically use them a lot for ads or just background images. I think I already said that. But different cool photos over here that you can utilize for your business. As you can see over here, we have all niched out over here, depending on what specific you need. I like dogs, so let's check some dogs real quick. But bam, just simple photos just like that. We also have another set of images over here where these are a little bit more modern, a little bit more bright, I want to say, and it's just a bunch of more images as well. I've used this one as a background previously. I liked it. Nothing too crazy, but just a bunch of different images that you can utilize for your business. Stock photos, all royalty free. Talking about royalty free, let's talk about some of the music that we have over here. We have a bunch of different royalty free musics over here as well. Just download that one, download this one real quick as well too. And what this pretty much comes about is just music that you can utilize for, I typically use them for ads. You know? Just things like that. Depending on your mood, you can use whatever one you want. We have a lot of them. We have, how much we have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's say 10 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60 over here. Let's say the other one might be another 60 as well. Yeah, about another 60, something else, maybe 120, but a little more than 100 different royalty-free music clips. Next, what we have over here is talk about some of the videos that we have available. Okay, so we download this while we wait, download this while we wait, download this while we wait. And what we're going to do is we're going to check out some of the, first to start with the bonus intros over here. Let's talk about accountant over here. Let's just take a quick look at what these
Hello.
like.
Are you trying to find a good accountant and don't know who to choose from? In the next few minutes, I will show you why we are the best in what we do.
Other one over here.
Hey, are you trying to lose weight? Then watch the following video. It helped me, so why wouldn't it help you?
So these are little bonus intros that you can put in front of your videos. I don't use these too much, to be honest, but they're also very valuable.
Hey guys, are you tired of losing at table tennis? In this video, you will discover how easy it is to master this great sport so you can finally start winning big.
Cool. Those are little bonus intros over there that you can utilize to your videos. Cool ones over here. I like the 30 done for you videos, and I also like the spokesman videos. So let's go over here. I like these for HVAC. I've used them for ads previously.
Your air conditioner just quit on you and it feels like it's 105 degrees inside your home.
I'm going to go through the entire
Your
thing,
ASAP to diagnose.
It's a little draw as they talk video talking about air conditioning. A couple other ones. We go to attorney over here.
Have you been charged for driving while intoxicated? If so, you understand the possible consequence and possible jail time.
Simple like that. We also have some ones with the green screen in the background as well too.
Hi, I'm Michael. Thank you for visiting our video. Check out our services and find out why a presentation video will make your website and brand.
Which is a green screen in the background. This way you can change it out to whatever you want to have in the background. Or you can take these little snippets. What you can also do with them is you can also paste them on the actual website as well, so it pops up and they talk on the website, or you can crop these people out and you can paste them onto videos that you have.
More about this excellent service, please watch the rest of this short video and thank me later.
I've used the attorney ones, I've used the HVAC, I haven't used a dentist, nor have I used a garage door. But it's a pretty cool one too as well.
Do you need emergency garage door repair because your teenager hit reverse and leaked service and installations? We're licensed.
You know, it's just a bunch of simple videos that you can use as ads to attract some customers, mainly for a bunch of different local businesses. All right. Mechanics over here, pet grooming, plumber, tax prep, painter, plumber, different things like that. Warrior Plus is a gym over there, garage door, dentist, computer repair, DWI attorney, air conditioning, HVAC, things like that. We also have spokes videos, which is pretty much the same thing as before. Facebook marketing, check this one out real quick.
Are you doing Facebook marketing? This product will change the way you're doing marketing online. Check out the following video.
So pretty much more videos that you can add to the beginning of it. I'm gonna go to AVI Platinum. More audios. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There's more intros, more music that you can use for your business. We have videos over here. Click on this one quick. Oh, might not play. I had a feeling it won't play. It might play. It doesn't play on my Mac. I used to have this on my PC, but no worries about that. It's just a bunch of different audio, a bunch of different videos, kind of like the same thing as before as the spokesman videos. I don't want to waste my time downloading a new thing via those. But yeah, so we got those. We got a bunch of different images. We got a bunch of different photos. We got a bunch of different royalty-free music loops. We got intro videos. We got regular videos for local businesses. My favorite thing here is I use a royalty-free clips a whole lot. I kind of use the images, the stock photos for like backgrounds on my website. But my favorite one is for local businesses is these little draw sketch videos. I love those things. And like I said, all these videos, all these little assets, design assets is what I call them, can be found right over here. Okay, 30 done for you videos, intro videos, spokesman videos, royalty-free music, images, blah, 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 just like that. And it's pretty simple just to download them right to here. Next one over here is you got a little infographics as well that you can add to your whatever you need it for. For example, let's go fitness real quick. What we're gonna do is just gonna download this. I'm only gonna do one of these just so you guys can understand how it pretty much works. We go over here, fitness slides. We're gonna open up the quick presentation. And now this works very simple because it's a bunch of different infographics on these slides over here. And let's say you like this infographic. All you got to do is I would take this and I would save it as a picture. You would save it and then you can take that little infographic and you can paste it onto your website or wherever you need it. So I love this, to be honest. This is it's another thing I use very, very heavily. All these little infographics, I've made funnels for excuse me. I made funnels for a bunch of different fitness pros before, and I've used this a whole lot. These little infographics, these little people over here on the actual website. I can say that. We're going to open up one more. So we got fitness over here. Let's do something different. Let's go decision, profit and loss. Let's check this one out. Click in here. I mean, yeah, you can use it as a presentation as well too, obviously, but I mainly use them because I scrape the little infographics off them and I put them on my actual website. That's what I personally use them for. But bam. It's like this pie chart over here. What I would do is I would take this pie chart and I would download it, and I would add it onto an actual page on an actual website. But yeah, just a bunch of different infographics put onto a bunch of different presentations that you can utilize for if you want to put on a presentation, sure, absolutely, whatever you want to do. But I mainly use it for my funnels. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much about it here. I can say that. I want to thank you guys for watching, taking the time to watch this. And if you have any questions whatsoever, guys, about the design assets or anything that we have available in here, shoot me a message, comment down below, comment on my videos, join my. There's a couple ways. This is the best ways to kind of reach out to me. Comment down below on these videos. I'll answer all these comments or my assessment well. Or join Funnel Hacker Labs, the Facebook group. There's a link down below, or go on Facebook, look up Funnel Hacker Labs. You'll probably be like the first one on there. Join Funnel Hacker Labs, put a post out there, or contact any of the admins. I'll be more than happy to help you out. I'm one of the admins as well, so you can always contact me. Or if you want to get direct contact with me, the best way is probably look at my profile. Facebook.com/natblade. Facebook.com/NATBLADE. That would take you to my personal Facebook profile, and you can just message me from there if you have any questions. On that note, too, if you load up, if you want to schedule a demo just so you can see what everything looks like, oops, I don't know why it's like that. If you would like to schedule a demo so you can see what everything pretty much looks like, all you got to do is press schedule a demo right down there, down below. Click on that. It will take you to the little calendar. You can schedule a demo right with me, and we can make sure we can see if this would be a good fit for you. As always, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching, and have a great one. All right. If you want to join Funnel Hacker Labs, links down below. Peace out, guys.